Yeah, I actually got, with that, me playing free safety, that was the first time I've ever played free safety. I was just strong in high school. Me playing free safety, I started getting the hang of it, a little later in the year, so I'm anxious to see me pick up from where I left off last year, see how good I do this year.
Now the secondary has got a bunch of guys coming back. You're a veteran group. You guys feel like you're the leaders of the team this year?
Yeah, absolutely. I think we need to set the tone, but we got good guys up front. We got good guys in the middle. I think our defense is well-rounded this year, so I'm anxious to see us play as a team. But I definitely agree with the secondary being more mature than the rest of the team.
Now last year, you had a couple of close losses, a couple of one-point games. Do you see yourselves as the defense got to take it upon themselves to win those type of ball games this year?
I think football is a team sport. I think it's 3 phases. It's special teams. There's defense. There's offense. I believe, when it comes down to those games, of course, I play defense, so I wanted to be on the defense. I want to be out there. I'm competitive. I want to be able to stop them for the win. So, but I feel like we got to come together as a team this year and just, grind it out for the one-game wins and the close wins. So.
Now you guys are ranked 4th in the preseason coaches poll in the PSAC West. Do you guys take that as a little bit of motivation to say that maybe we're a little bit better than that 4th place ranking?
Yeah. With the preseason rankings, I really don't get too wrapped up in it because you got to beat Edinboro before you say you beat Edinboro. You got to see us on Saturday. So the preseason rankings, it is a little like what they think we're going to be, but I got faith in my team this year, so I'm anxious to see. We'll see them on Saturday, every Saturday. Excellent bounce back year that you had last year after missing all except a half of 2010. You come back last year and you're an all-conference performer. How good did that feel to have a great season coming back?
It felt really good. I was a little bit nervous coming back in the first game and after camp and stuff. But overall, I'm glad that it went well. I had confidence that I would do well and come back and kind of get within stride that I did with my sophomore year. But I'm glad it all worked out well.
Tell us a little bit about your group. The secondary is the most veteran group on the team. You got 5 starters coming back for the secondary. Do you guys look at yourselves as some of the leaders of the team this year?
Oh, of course. I think with our experience in the secondary, it's only going to help the rest of the defense kind of stay as a unit. I think it all does start up front, so we got to get those guys up front ready to go. Show them leadership, model how Fighting Scott defense should be played, and hopefully it'll all start up there and work its way back to us, get some interceptions and stuff like that. So.
You guys were picked 4th in the preseason coaches poll in the PSAC West. Do you guys look at that as maybe something that can be used as a motivating factor this year?
Of course, I think a lot of guys are going to not take that number 4 ranking lightly, but at the same time, we can't put too much focus on it because, again, it's just a number. It's just people's opinions, and we really want to worry about that number at the end of the season. If it's a 4, then we might have some stuff to worry about, but we're going to want to try and push the envelope and get to the top of the PSAC this year.
Talked a little bit about this with Coach Browning. It's an exciting time of the year. How much do you look forward to this time of the year? Now, a couple weeks from camp and less than a month now from the start of the season.
I'm getting excited, especially it's my last year, so I really want to go out with a bang. I really want the season to end the way I want it to, and I'm going to try and get my peers, get the rest of my teammates, trying to get on that same level as me. And I know Kenny, he's here. He's ready to go, and we're just going to try and get the troops riled up and have a nice year.